Hello everyone, welcome to the Creative Generalist channel. Today, we will guide you step by step through the process of downloading, installing, and setting up the initial configurations for the latest official free version of one of the popular production software in the electronic music world, FL Studio 2025. If you are ready, let's get started. First, open your web browser and type FL Studio into the Google search bar. To ensure your security, make sure not to click on ads and log in directly to the official website at image-line.com. When you reach the homepage, you will see the button Try FL Studio for free. Click on this button to proceed to the download section. Your system will be detected automatically, so click on the Windows Download option to start the download. While the file is downloading, it is very important to correctly understand FL Studio's trial model. Unlike many other software, FL Studio's trial version is unlimited in time. This means it does not close after 30 days or tell you that the time has expired. You can use it for free for years. However, there are two critical legal and technical limitations. First, you do not own the commercial rights to the tracks you produce with this version, meaning it is not legally possible for you to publish your songs on platforms like Spotify or YouTube and generate revenue. The second is a technical obstacle. You can use all features including the signature bundle and export your song, but you cannot reopen a project you have saved until you purchase a license. This model is ideal for learning the software and practicing. Once the download is complete, open the folder and double-click on the installation file. FL Studio is particularly loved among beatmakers for its pattern-based workflow. When the setup wizard starts, proceed by clicking Next. Accept the license agreement by clicking I agree. Leaving the components to be installed at their default settings is best for a smooth experience. Click Next and then the Install button to start copying the files. During the installation, necessary audio drivers and libraries will be installed on your system. When the process is finished, close it by clicking Finish. Find FL Studio 2025 in your Start menu and run the program. When the program opens, you can skip the introductory windows that appear. Here is FL Studio 2025. So, you can produce songs with the free version for personal use. You just cannot make edits on the project file later. In summary, FL Studio is usable for learning since the trial never expires, and well, at least you can export what you make. But given the heavy restrictions on reopening projects and commercial use, don't expect too much from this free version. If you are just starting out and looking for completely free and unlimited DAWs, we strongly recommend checking out other options available on our channel, such as Waveform Free, Cakewalk Next, and BandLab. Additionally, while not a DAW, MuseScore, a free and open-source music notation program, is excellent for notation, composition, and arranging. We encourage exploring such tools to broaden your creative workflow, and similar content is already featured on our channel and will continue to appear in the future. Whether you're just starting out or already advanced, you'll find valuable content in our playlists. If you enjoyed this fun experiment and would like to see more interactive content like this to give you new insights, check out what else we have on our channel. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell to get notifications for new videos. See you again soon, and thanks for watching.